In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless Instagram puzzle feed in Canva. We're building a 9-tile Instagram grid that feels like one connected design. It's perfect for showcasing a product line, a mood board, or a visual story, and you can do it with a free Canva account. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar at the top. Type Instagram puzzle feed and browse the results. Look for any puzzle-style grid, collage, or 9-square layout template. Pick a layout that matches your vibe. You can always customize colors, fonts, and images later. Most templates are already set up for Instagram squares, which keeps the slicing simple. Now add your photos. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, upload your images, and drag them right into the puzzle boxes. If a photo doesn't fit perfectly, double-click to adjust the crop. Use the image edit tools to tweak brightness and contrast so your photos feel cohesive. Try repeating a few colors or textures across the grid for a unified look. Next, edit text and elements. Click any text and replace it with your captions, quotes, or key messages. Keep font choices consistent. One headline font and one body font is usually enough. Move shapes, lines, and stickers to match your aesthetic. The position and align tools help keep everything tidy, and snapping guides will keep your spacing even. To make it a true seamless puzzle, let design elements cross over the square boundaries. For example, extend a line, a background pattern, or a large headline so it continues across multiple tiles. This creates that connected look once it's posted. Keep your style consistent throughout. Same color palette, fonts, and spacing. A quick tip here: avoid placing important faces or text directly on the slice lines. Give them a little breathing room. Zoom in to 150% or 200% and scan along the edges to ensure lines and shapes meet cleanly. When you're happy, it's time to slice it into 9 squares. Go to the top right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type for crisp quality. You'll see an option to split into Instagram posts. If you don't see it, click More, then Instagram Grid, and choose Split. Canva will generate 9 perfectly sized tiles for you. Finally, export and post. Download the sliced grid, then upload to Instagram starting from the bottom right tile and working to the top left. Posting in that order ensures the finished puzzle appears correctly on your profile grid. Post them in one session to keep the sequence intact, and you're done.